Welcome guys. For making this speaker, you will need two speakers of 3 watt, one 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, a PAM8403 amplifier board, a Bluetooth board for PAM8403, TP4056 for charging, a micro USB port, a switch for on-off purpose. So let's start. You have to create a box-like structure for the speaker. I have created 2 holes for the speaker. You can see the speakers. And a back cover with MDF board. So let's start the connections. Take the PAM8403 module. Then connect wires for speakers. Take the BT board and solder its left ground and right terminals to the left ground and right terminals of the amplifier board. Take the lithium ion battery and solder plus and minus wires to its terminals. Take the amplifier circuit and solder power wires to both Bluetooth and amplifier board. Take the backboard of speaker case and make holes for switch and the micro USB port and fix it there. Take the TP4056 charging protection board and solder the wires of amplifier board to the out points of charging module. Now solder the battery terminals to the TP4056. Now the battery is soldered to the module. Now you have to solder the micro USB port to the input of the TP4056 module. Solder the wire's plus point to the switch by cutting it through the middle. Add a tube at the back cover of the speaker for bass. Stick all the parts with glue gun in the case. Solder the speakers to the wires. Cover the front panel with black cloth. This is a special cloth used for speakers only. You can get it from the market. Choose a vinyl sheet as per your choice and cover the speaker with